let's have a look at that funky guitar part, the clean guitar part that is, in the Neon Genesis Evangelion, opening number 1, and it really is a funk riff. This is straight out of the 70s, something that Nile Rodgers might have come up with himself. I'll play you the first bit, then I'll talk you through it. Here we go. There it is. So the first shape, little C minor voicing, just the top 4 strings as you do with funk music, just strumming those top 4 strings. Add your second finger on the string 2 to give yourself an A flat chord. Move that whole shape up by 2 frets, give yourself a B flat chord, and shift yourself up by 1 more fret, but move the second finger back to the G string for an E flat chord. That's C minor, A major, A flat major rather, B flat major, E flat major, and this funky pattern with the right hand. You've got to keep those 16th notes going. Your right hand's going down, up the whole way. The rhythm again. A little hammer from your C minor to your A flat chord there. And the second half of it's very similar. Starts the same way. It finishes off down here with B flat. Still on the top 4 strings, but down here in position 6 around the 6th fret. Slides back up to where you started with C sharp minor. There it is again. There's another really cool funky riff in the middle here. This is a bit more like something that the Meters might do. Sissy Strut's a cool song to check out. This is where they would have got this sort of idea from. Using just the bottom bits of the C pentatonic minor scale, and it goes like this. Just finishes with this little E flat major chord at the end there. Just strings 2, 3 and 4 now. All barred across that 8th fret. Here it is, that first part again. Notice how I'm doing lots of palm muting when I'm playing those single note riffs. That's the funk thing to do. The second half again starts the same way. A really odd ending. Single C note down here and a G chord at the end. He could be playing a C note. Sorry, it's a D note, isn't it? He can play the D note up here, then finishing the G chord down here. So the chords, there's no palm muting, but palm muting on the single note riffs. Here's that whole funky section again. There it is, the funky bit from Neon Genesis Evangelion. Check out the solo and the distorted parts around here somewhere. Enjoy.
ありがとうございます。